Alright, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be filming on my Samsung S9 Plus, and we are going to be finishing up one of the many projects that I need to finish up. So here's what we're going to do today. Alright, so we're going to tear off all the plastic pieces for the bike, and we're going to paint the frame. I'll show you why. So as you can see, the bike's looking pretty good. That came out pretty good. The black plastic fairing came out pretty good. But as you can see, the lines don't match up with the colors. Well, the body lines aren't the same. So plastic, metal, metal. So what we're going to do is we're going to sand all these pieces down right here and paint them the same color as this. It'll give it a little bit of better continuity. Maybe we'll paint the rear fork here. That's our goal for now. And while we're at it, I think you can see this overspray here. We'll try and get rid of some of that because it looks awful, and that's from the previous owner. Frank, start us off. No? Okay. So, bike is basically stripped down. Obviously, needs a little bit of a cleaning before we even start painting it. I'm thinking I'll just leave the wire harnesses in because it seems like it's going to be too much of a pain to do anything about it. So what I'll do is I'll tape off all the hard to reach spots, so like inside this area, and just paint the main portion of the frame that you'll see visible and tape off all the extras to avoid some overspray. So now that the frame is essentially stripped down, we're going to keep some pieces intact. We're going to clean it, sand it, prime it, and paint it. Then we put it all back together. I grabbed some tape, grabbed some plastic bags. It's time to mask off the rest of the bike, tape it up, and then we can start sanding. So I definitely did a little too much for the first coat. The point is, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's the beginning of the riding season. I want to get the most out of riding season and get more experience because I am a beginner, and you know, I'm not going to have this bike forever. I think what I'm going to do when it's time to move up to a different one, I'm going to give it to my dad. He seems to really enjoy it, and it'd be nice to go riding with him sometime. But you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm sure that there's going to be someone out there who'll be questioning, oh, why didn't I just take more time on it, you know, strip down the bike properly, not just sand it and then go straight to painting the black coat. Why not do the primer, which I was originally going to do? And I came to the conclusion that it doesn't have to be perfect, and chasing that sort of perfection, it's a waste of your time. It's more important to go out and get it done. Like, this bike is like a learning experience for me, and I want to make it look a little bit nicer, but when it comes down to it, people aren't going to be looking at the nitty-gritty of this bike. It's nothing special. It's not like a show bike. You know, it adds character when it has all those sorts of flaws to it. It shows it's being used, shows it's being worked on. It's a great learning experience for me, and that's what I find important. And, you know, I'm having fun with it. Like, what more could you ask for? Round 2. take a look at this. Not too bad. You can see a couple bad paint spots, but that's okay. It's so minimal. So I didn't film it, but I added a third coat. I'm definitely getting way too impatient for this, but like I said, it's not meant to be perfect, it's just meant to be a quick and easy job. So I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling off all the paint, removing all the cardboard and plastic bags.